for skeptic, isn't this just over engineering? Are there simpler solutions to it?
Yeah, I mean, one obvious simplified solution is just centralize it, right? So you can just say, well, I don't want this to be decentralized. I'm just going to use AWS or Google, and then there's like semi-decentralized platforms that we just talked about with like Akash and Render, but it's all about being decentralized, right? It's about this. Sorry, it's about trustless and this kind of trustless interaction. And and another thing is also scalability, right? Because if you're centralizing everything, that means like one entity has to gather all of the compute, which we don't have to do by virtue of being decentralized. So if we're going to build a trustless infrastructure that can rival something like AWS, we need this robust and structured system. So I wouldn't call it over engineering. I think it's necessary for the scale of the problem that we're trying to solve. So if you think about you're just opening a website, right? It should be a simple thing. But there's an entire TCP/IP stack there. There's HTTP. There's so I think the complexity of the system is directly proportional to the problem that you're trying to solve, and you shouldn't write code that you don't need to have. And so we didn't do that. I think that's very important. And so Bora is really aiming for a foundational role, and I wouldn't call it over engineered.
Right.